We are in Cardiff at the castle. I'm going to try this one. Wow. The section which Queen Elizabeth was in.
Yes.
Yeah, I think I've
the
seen
APS.
pictures with...
Yeah, we have one in the museum in the World War II section. There's a picture of her up there.
Here in Cardiff today is our first day here. We're off to be exploring and we'll go to the castle. Follow me on another interesting travel vlog. This one for Cardiff Castle, and everything within its huge perimeter walls. So going into Cardiff Castle. Inside of these walls, there is a few things to see. A celebration of Gareth Bale. Here at the entrance, a former Welsh footballer.
Good golfer. He played for Tottenham. He played for Real Madrid. Tottenham played Milan in the European Cup.
Yeah.
And Tottenham were losing 4-0
Yeah.
at half time.
Yeah.
Put him on the left, and he absolutely wiped out. He scored 3 goals in the second half.
We have a map and some leaflets, things to do here in Cardiff. Here are the ticket prices to get into the castle. So let's get the tickets.
These are the tickets and the map.
Yeah.
If you scan the code, you can get the free audio guide. Roman Wall and the museum are downstairs. The wartime shelters are outside on the right.
Yeah.
And the Norman Keep and the castle apartments are on the left.
Okay.
Enjoy
All right.
the
Thank you so much. Follow me on this adventure. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. There is something on the left and something upstairs, yeah? Yeah, downstairs first, on the left. First floor, this is like, we also got toilets here. This is like the Roman wall or something. Got my ticket. If you scan it, you get a guide. Okay, so walking down here, careful. This is the Roman wall. Some interesting art to see down here on these walls. See, that is original. Pretty. This is the national and in this wing, it's historical war themes. So that one is for the 2009, that one?
Yeah, this one was from 2009 to about 2016.
This one, yeah?
If you'd like.
Okay. Yeah.
And then about 2015, 2016, they started introducing the Virtus helmet.
Do you mind if I try it?
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay. Sorry. Good. So this was, oh, it's heavy, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. So it goes like this?
Yeah, like that.
Like this? Okay.
Yeah.
It's so heavy. My
Yeah,
gosh.
after a while, I've heard it really starts to strain on the neck, but I guess you just get used to it.
Well, is the video okay?
The video is still going.
It's still going, yes, yeah. Wow, this is heavy.
This is the ATS, which is actually what Queen Elizabeth was in during World War II. So it was women would be trained as mechanics and that sort of thing to help with the army without being directly in combat.
Okay.
So let's try that
Now I'm
one.
going to try this one, yeah.
It doesn't go down and cover the legs.
Okay. Thank you so much. So this is the War Museum. What is this called?
The
War.
firing line.
The firing line
Museum,
museum. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much.
This addition to the castle,
the Hall of Names, where you can learn the history of your surname. And you could get this printed out for you while you wait. Let's go over to check out the new house. This new residential block was built between 1423 and 1439. It's raining. Even though it's raining, I think it's a perfect day for exploring the castle and its grounds, as there is shelter. Welcome to Cardiff Castle. I'm alright, thanks. Wow, this is beautiful.
That's lovely, thank you. Thank you. So when you're ready, up the stairs to the right, please. Hello, how are you, Mal?
Hey, I'm alright.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So I'm going to go around here and
Yeah.
then up the stairs to the
Okay,
right.
alright, okay. Is there any any audio or anything explanation?
There's sheets in the room to
Yeah,
read.
okay.
Or you want to download it on your phone from the internet.
Okay, alright.
Hello, please, your ticket, please.
It's been a tight finishing. One thing is closed, so we just got to go to this one here, the Arab room. Dining room. Downstairs. What a beautiful house. Grand decor throughout. And the castle over there is quite inviting. I can't wait to go right to the top. For now, let's stroll round the perimeter. It is surrounded by the city, and to the other side you can see views of the park. We'll be exploring that in another vlog. Views of the city. Let's keep walking. Where we have the Welsh flags and the UK flag right in the middle. It is a bit windy today. I won't let the wind or the rain spoil the fun. It's quite refreshing to be outdoors. Here at the Mound in Cardiff, it says there used to be a summer house in the 1700s. However, this area has become popular with artists. From here, you get spectacular views of the castle to the north and the sea to the south. The Cardiff Castle, or the Keeper's House, was built in the 1000s, and the new house over there was built in the 1400s. I've been waiting for this special moment. Let's climb up the castle. That's the overview of the castle. Let's walk up to the castle. To go out the window. And you got this bar here, and you can see out in the courtyard. It's got these sort of windows here. We are right at the top of the castle. It is a very windy day, quite challenging to film, but this is what I can show you from here. You can see Principality Stadium, not too far from here. You can spot some landmarks. You can see the entire city center. That's it on my way out now. Leaving the castle. Oh, what an experience. Air raid shelter. Let's go in the tunnel. This is one of the historical shelters that were used in the World War II. It's within the perimeter walls of the Cardiff Castle and was open to public at the time of my travel. It says, look out in the blackout until your eyes get used to the darkness.
This morning, the British ambassador in Berlin heard from them by 11 o'clock that they were prepared at once.
So that's the end of the air raid shelter. Now going up the stairs. And thank you for visiting the castle. Great tour here. There's so much to see at Cardiff Castle. From the castle straight out into the town center, Castle Arcade. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.